Hi everyone. So today we're working on an 18 by 18 canvas, and I'm going to get out my cute little measuring cup again, and this one is split down the middle. This cup is available in my Amazon shop for anyone that's interested in getting it. It does come with a measuring funnel. This one I did get at Tuesday morning, but the one on Amazon has the hole in the funnel. But we use this just to see how much paint we're putting in here, and it does help to figure out how much you need for your canvas. So today's colors, of course, are going to be my black. I did mix up some 24 karat gold from Deco Art, and that comes in the jar. You can get it at Hobby Lobby. I think I also have it in my Amazon shop if you can't get it locally. I'm going to be using my Pourage Posse paints today. These are custom blended paints that I mix up and sell through the group. All the information for ordering is in the group, so if you join the Pourage Posse on Facebook, it's probably the first announcement you'll see coming in. This is the Morning Pansy Shimmer. It's a dioxazine violet mixed with a few other purples to give us the color, and an iridescent is added to these. This is the Sleeping Beauty Shimmer. Of course, it's turquoise with shimmer in it. And the Pourage Posse purple is a custom blend of different purples that I came up with a group color. I shook these, that's why they're spitting up just a little bit. But we're going to use those today with the 24 karat gold and black, and we're going to do a straight pour. So I am going to start with a little bit of black, and we'll follow that with the 24 karat gold. Now the gold and the black do not have silicone, but the colors do. I'm going to try to do a few layers so that we get a lot of color on the canvas. And of course I'll probably have to put a little bit of background color on there. I take it back, the black does have silicone. I wanted to do a video featuring these colors. I did use these colors in the Dutch pour videos from last week. They came out absolutely beautiful. We'll do one more round. Ooh, almost dumped it. Not good. Now we should get a reaction with this gold too. Every video I've done, the gold has selled up beautifully, so. Spontaneous Creations by Brian has also done a few paintings with these paints if you want to check him out. I think I'm going to end with gold. That'll be our first color out, and I'm going to put a little bit of black down. So we have enough paint. I didn't want to use base paint because I want to use all of the same consistencies. So I'm just going to give myself a good puddle here. And then I'll cover my edges a little bit. So I can spatula that out a little bit so we have something to run on. Normally I paint my edges black before I start so that I don't have to touch it up afterwards, but I forgot. Alright. Let's get this pour going, huh? Alright, here we go. We're aiming for the middle of the canvas. Color there. Okay, let me give it a quick torch just to pop a few air bubbles. Of course, we are going to get cells because we do have silicone in the paints. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to flip that over and see if I can get a skin out of that. Alright. I tried filming all day yesterday, and the weather was not cooperating with us yesterday. Every time I got a canvas ready to film, we had a thunderstorm come through, so. And then this morning I wanted to film, and of course all the neighbors are mowing. So that did not work. So he's on the other side now, so I thought, well, I better do it right now. I love these big cells that I'm getting. Not a lot of my Pourage Posse purple showing up, though. But the gold is there. I'm a cell girl. I like my cells. We could do another one of these with without silicone just to see the difference. I can do another video. This is where I like to set it down, just let it rest for a minute before I figure out where I'm going to tilt next. Of course, my lights are not cooperating, are they? Darn. It's really pretty though. So I'm going to turn it this way. And I'm going to prop it up on a cup so you can actually see it. Studio lights. So I'm going to leave it right there. It's going to be pretty when it's dry with all the shimmer and the metallics. The gold, it did show up here as well. I'm going to give that a quick torch. It's not moving with it propped up, so I'm good. Let's give it a torch. Lots of air bubbles in there. Yep, I'm going to leave it right there. So, I got a lot of new little cells that popped up with that torch right here. Let me see if I can bring you up and you can see a few things. It's pretty. So that's going to be it for that one. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. You'll get a little notification saying I uploaded a new video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this color combo. The cells are beautiful. I can't wait to see this dry. Everything changes when it's dry. It never looks the same as it does on camera. But I'm anxious to see what this will look like dry. Check out all the links below. Join our group on Facebook if you're interested in getting paints. You can always shoot me an email at ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. We do have the ready to pour, and we also have it just pigment in jars. Both are the same price. If you contact me, I'll give you more information. Check out my Amazon shop for all your paint pouring supplies. We have everything there, the trays, the torch, the airbrush, everything's there that you need or want. And you can shop through our link anytime you want. It doesn't cost you anything. We make a few pennies on your purchases, but it helps us to buy more supplies to make these videos for you. And if you're interested in getting resin, we still have the Stone Coat Art Coat resin code below. You can also use that on the countertop epoxy. Check out our Etsy shop. There's so many links below. Just check them all out. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.